pretty windy here, so I'm not sure if you're going to be able to hear me okay, and I'm not quite sure what the audio or the video is going to be like on this one because it's a new camera and I'm just I'm not testing it, I'm actually using it here today. You can see these stacks behind me. I'm at the Green Bridge of Wales. Took me about 6 hours to get here, maybe 5.5 give or take. I don't feel tired, I feel fresh, I feel good. I'm a bit disappointed, let down because I didn't plan it properly. The light isn't really working because as you can see here, the light is actually just going across here, so we're not getting much on the bottom, or the bottom, just the top area, and it's not really going to work for us. The sun's actually in that direction over here, coming over here, and we have the cliff edge which is causing a massive shadow on the actual lower part, and to balance that out, it's going to be really tricky. So the way I'm going to fix that, well, not fix it, I said the way I'm going to actually treat that is when the sun sets, I'm actually going to try and get a shot then, because it'll be a lot more better and the light will be a lot more flatter. I mean, you can see that there's the light right in front of me just there, and as I'm turning, it's just getting all weird. Just behind me on this side and all that side, I think some of that side as well, it's all MOD land, so there's a lot of live firing that goes on as you drive down the road to come to the car park. It's pretty frightening. I saw a tank on one side and God knows what and all these signs, you know, don't cross, be careful, blah 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 blah. Visitors, there seem to be quite a bit, some come in, some walking away, just walking around here, and it's a beautiful walk. It's nice. I mean, it's stunning. This coast is stunning. The cauldron is just lower down on this side, which we're just going to probably go see in a minute. So I'm not too keen on an image. I don't think I can see an image just now, so I'm not really going to get one. But yeah, it's nice. We've got all these seagulls and stuff just nesting on the actual rocks over there. Let's see if we can have a look. And it is quite nice. It's a lovely place to be. I'm really enjoying it. It's good. I was in North Wales not so long ago with fantastic group of people, amazing friends, and we had fun. So those videos are going to be linked up here as well somewhere. The plan is today to just do this. We're going to go camp nearby, get tents up and stuff. I'm not quite sure what we're doing for Milky because that's out about 2 o'clock. Then you got sunrise, and then you're driving tomorrow as well, so obviously you need to have a bit of rest. You can't camp on these grounds unfortunately, so it's going to have to be a campsite nearby. It's about 10 minutes away, not so far, which isn't too much of a problem. And then tomorrow we're going to be heading up back towards, not home, but up north Wales. So we'll go towards Snowdon, maybe go on top of Snowdon using the train, and then some of the areas there as well. And the other, we're going to probably see Craig somewhere, have a cup of tea. So by the time you've probably seen this, Craig, it was good to see you. And if I don't see you, it's such a shame I didn't see you. Either way, I'll see you soon. Right, I'm going to just switch off and see if I can get some B-roll for you. Play the music. So this is just what I've been waiting for. The sun's gone, well, it hasn't really gone down as such, but I don't really think we're going to get much of a sunset just now. There's a lot of mist and cloud forming just in the sea, and the sun's behind me. It's been diffused quite nicely just behind the clouds, so the colours all nice and equal, just well balanced on this side. It's looking really nice. So I think I'm gonna maybe 5 stop that with a medium grad, or my 10 might be too much. I'll probably about 5 out of 3 give or take. So at the minute that's what we're looking like, and it's quite nice. So I'm going to try with a 5 stop first, see what we can do with that. Now because we have got a fair bit of light behind us, we've got to make sure to close the eyepiece, which obviously I've done on this one over here. Just careful, take off the holder. Before I actually set my medium grad, I'm just going to get my exposure right for my 5 stop and then take it from there. I don't really think there's going to be much use with my polarizer just now, because the sun's just not in the right place, so I'm not going to bother too much about it. So we're going to go about f9 to f11 maybe. Let's try f11. So I'm getting about 6 seconds give or take. Bring some cloud back just there. I'm going to go with about, I'm going to try 10 seconds, that looks quite nice. I'm shooting on 24mm. Let's give that a bit of a polarize just there. Okay. And go. So like I said, I'm not going to really get those colours in the sky today, so it's not going to happen. But the actual thing is, we've actually come at the wrong time of year. The sun's setting just off to land this time, and I think it would have been probably a lot better come in during the day, where it would have, not during the day, sorry, earlier in the year would have been better. Sunrise, the sun's setting just exactly on that side, so I'm not sure if there is quite a shot on this side. I mean, it is quite a cliche shot, and I can see, I wondered why people don't actually take a shot from lower down. And as you can see from this cliff, from this clip just now, you can see where the cliff edge is quite dangerous, and there's no way to go down here. But you know me, I like danger, but this is not something I'm going to try to attempt to go down. It's yeah, this is probably the best spot I can, right near the fence, right on the edge. Just taking that shot, and that's what it looks like. So there it is, that concludes that shot. I think I'm quite satisfied with the shot that I got. I'm quite happy. The sun went down, and it's, like I said, it's got rid of all the harsh light that was banding on right across over here. And I'm happy with what I got, I think. I think I need a wider lens here. It's not as wide, is it? It's 15. I'm happy, I'm done. That's bagged. It's cold, bitterly cold. Not freezing, just bitterly cold. Gonna try in the morning, walk down, see what we can get. But for now, I think I'm gonna enjoy the moment. It's quite nice.